Okay, the second one, p minus x. Okay, when we say minus, this is subtraction, or you have to subtract. Okay, so p, you have to write p here, and minus x. Okay, the next one is the product of 2 and x. When we say product, this is multiplication. So 2 and x. All you need to do is simply write 2 and x. So this is multiplication. Aside from writing 2 times x, then all you need to do is simply write that one next to the number 2. Okay, so 2 times x. Let's have another one. X subtracted 2, or shall we say x subtracted from y is equal to, how do we write this one? From the word from, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, this is from, write this from x subtracted from from y. Okay, when we say subtracted, this is automatic. You're going to subtract, or you put the minus sign, or and then from the word from, then you're going to subtract from y, then followed by x. So y minus x. Okay, so that's all for now.